Unlock VW IMMO data in minutes. No soldering, no IC removal with OBDSTAR VW4-AKL. What if I told you that you could read IMMO data from a VW dashboard without removing the IC, without soldering, and even when all the keys are lost? Sounds too easy, right? But it's true. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using the OBDSTAR VW4-AKL cable with the X300 DP Plus. Here's a quick quiz to start. Do you know which dashboards use NEC plus 24C32 and NEC plus 24C64 chips? If you do, drop your answer in the comments right now, and let's see who's paying attention. And while you're here, let me ask, do you love real-world, time-saving tips in car diagnostics? Then help us out. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a video that could make your job easier and faster. Let's aim for 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the first 24 hours. Can we make it happen? Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into powerful tools, clever tricks, and real-world workflows for car diagnostics and programming. Before we get started, a quick but important reminder. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Everything we cover is meant to help vehicle technicians, enthusiasts, and learners get better at what they do. We strictly follow fair use guidelines. No copyrighted content is used for profit, and all brand names belong to their rightful owners. Always work within manufacturer rules and local laws. Now, with that out of the way, let's explore something incredibly useful for VW vehicles using the 4th generation dashboards, especially the VW NEC plus 24C32 and NEC plus 24C64 variants. This might just save you hours in the shop. Main tutorial: detailed, engaging transformation of table data into TDS-friendly sentences. So, how exactly do we use the OBDSTAR VW4-AKL cable to read IMMO data on these dashboards? Here's the breakdown, but trust me, it's more plug-and-play than you think. First of all, this special-purpose cable works beautifully with tools like the OBDSTAR X300 DP Plus, the X300 Pro 4, and the X300 Classic G3. It comes equipped with all the essentials: a DC power connector, a probe for contact, a power switch, and a plug that goes directly into the dashboard. What's the best part? No need to remove the integrated circuit. No soldering onto the PCB. No server-side data processing. You can do it all right on the bench. Let's walk through a real-world example using the X300 DP Plus. Step 1. Reading IMMO data from a NEC plus 24C32 dashboard. Start by selecting the latest software version on your OBDSTAR device. Then navigate to Skoda 4 generation KIN meter, VW NEC plus 24C32. The first task? Reading the EEPROM data to create a backup. Tap the Guide button on your device to view a helpful reference image. It will zoom in and show you exactly where to place the probe on the dashboard. Once you've located the correct contact point, turn off the power, place the probe precisely on that point, and then switch the power back on. Now wait. Within 6 to 7 seconds, your dashboard should give off an audible signal, like a soft chime. When you hear that, hit Enter on the screen to confirm the read. Boom! You just backed up the EEPROM data. Next, we move on to reading the IMMO data. You'll repeat the same sequence. Power off, place the probe. Power on, wait for the sound, remove the probe. And just like that, you've extracted the IMMO data successfully, without ever opening or damaging the hardware. Step 2. Reading IMMO data from a NEC plus 24C64 dashboard. Once you're done with the 24C32 dashboard, it's just a small shift to move on to 24C64. Tap Escape to return, reconnect your cable, and choose the appropriate dashboard type in the menu. Then just follow the exact same process. Tap Guide, locate the probe point, follow the power sequence, and read both EEPROM and IMMO data. No extra steps. No surprises. Within moments, the data will be ready to use, and you didn't even touch a soldering iron. That's modern diagnostics done right. Pretty amazing, right? If this walkthrough helped you see just how efficient your workflow can be with the right tools, do me a favor, pause for a moment, hit the like button and share this video with someone who's still soldering dashboards the old school way. Trust me, they'll thank you. And while you're at it, drop a comment below and let us know. Have you used the VW4-AKL cable yet? How was your experience? Personally, I think this is one of the most underrated tools in the OBDSTAR lineup. The fact that you can go from 0 keys to IMMO data in minutes with zero soldering makes it a game changer for mobile programmers and workshop techs alike. But what do you think? Are tools like the VW4-AKL cable the future of quick diagnostics, or do you still prefer traditional methods when dealing with sensitive dashboards? Let's talk about it in the comments. Your input matters. All right, that wraps up today's tutorial. And remember that quiz from the intro? The NEC plus 24C32 and NEC plus 24C64 chips are most commonly found in 4th-gen VW and Skoda dashboards, specifically in vehicles with VDO instrument clusters. If you knew the answer, shout yourself out in the comments. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you found value here, please support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. It's totally free for you, but keeps us going and helps bring more advanced content straight to your screen. Let's not forget, our challenge is still on. 1,000 likes, 100 comments, 24 hours. Think we can do it? I appreciate every one of you. Until next time, stay safe, keep learning, and happy diagnosing.